spiritual, right? Give her a round of applause. Absolutely beautiful.
Make it make sense. Sense, spiritual sense. My life to Christ, I am in the same sense. Yeah, Yahweh, Prince of Egypt, he turned a slave to a star. Blessing claps like it's an art, it's an art. Jesus taught the war, I'm in the passenger. OT living, we were trapping by the car. No officer, I just sell hope, not jobs. Bro caught the reverend and he dropped like, forget about me, no, I'm trying to know who you are. The Genesis dropped and trying to take it to the star. My ancestors in the garden, father said that it was ours. Colonizers talking back and left the family to starve. Adam is a snake in the grass, it's a grass. Raised around walls and the sheep can't bark. Seeking you'll find you want answers, just ask. You said God ain't real, I replied like
come on.
What are you talking about though? My God's more than real. Creator of the universe and thing. That's common sense. Spiritual sense, not common sense. Gave my life a price, I ain't been the same since. Fell a couple times, but forgive me for my sins. Can't stop now, that don't make sense. Heaven or hell, tell me which one makes sense. If it wasn't for his grace, I know where I'll be sent. Need big faith, copy it all like Sims. Can't stop now, no, that don't make sense, no.
That don't make sense, my dog. Drove in the wrong way, take my car, watch out, it's your way. But ain't in a fast lane now, being more patient is a demand. No surprise, it's standard. Breast spirit, so we up in the standard. Setting God's plan so they can't stand us. Now full of pride, dog, where your manners? Mommy could've called me Jonathan. Many days running way big, I was in a corner like a collar. Tired of mistakes, just one express, so my heart became polar. Cold or wrong when they paid back on the enemies and like a dollar. Wasn't forgiven till the phone, all the girls still messed up on my floor. Lost the map to make it back home. Too much TikTok, forgot the Bible, left his worth off my dome. Wasn't a rule, but had no license, said the fact I'm out of control. Till God came and handled the vehicle, cut ties off again to my soul. Thought my life was blessed, guess my mind was tense. Seeking only pleasure, only tried to make amends. Way too many damages, was vision like a lens. Was a common right till I gained spiritual sense.
Spiritual sense, not common sense. Gave my life to Christ, I ain't been the same since. Fell a couple times, just forgive me for my sins. Can't stop now, that don't make sense. Heaven or hell, tell me which one makes sense. If it wasn't for his grace, I know where I'll be sent. Need big faith, copy it all like Sims. Can't stop now, no, that don't make sense, no.
Give her a round of applause. Keisha, beautiful.